Welcome back to yet another video. Today is another episode of Project Make Old Stang Great Again. And right now I'm getting ready to do something I've been wanting to do for a very long time to this car. So, if you look down here at the radio, I changed out the stock radio about 5 years ago for this one here, and it's great. I just wanted Bluetooth to work with my phone back then. But here's the problem. Close this door. You see how bright that is? It's just obnoxious, and I'm not a fan of it. And then I still need to wire this up so that it works with just my headlights when I turn them on, but I'm not doing that today. But I gotta take all this stuff out because I got the Apple CarPlay radio coming today, and I am excited. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time. Hopefully this one doesn't blind me at night too. I'm kind of on a time crunch because we're doing a Friendsgiving get-together today at our house, and yeah. She's probably angry right now. She's probably gonna be pretty pissed when she sees this video and finds out that I'm doing this, but it's supposed to be here in the next like 20 minutes, so takes like 2 minutes to install it. As long as I have everything, we'll see how that works out, because FedEx and USPS, I've been having a lot of problems with the post office lately, and I am really frustrated with that. Long story short, we went to get our mailbox key for the new place, and they made us fill out a change of address form. But here's the thing. Why should I have to do that? If I'm going to be sending stuff to our place, I'm probably going to be putting our new address on it, unless I don't want it to go there, which with car parts, there's no sense in it going there. Because I don't do the car stuff at the place that we live at. So now everything gets forwarded there for no reason. It drives me crazy. I'm going to get this stuff taken apart real quick. Shouldn't take me long to do. I got to clean out the center console too, so that I can run the cord for Apple CarPlay. Run the USB there, hopefully. At least that's the plan. If not, I'll figure out somewhere else to put it. I think disconnecting this is the worst part of installing any of these radios. And voila! 'Tis out. Now we wait. Sadly, this time it's not Brown Santa coming to the rescue for me. The thing that makes this nice is I already have the wiring harness, and so in theory, it should work. We'll see how accurate that is. I have to double check and make sure these are all the same. If not, I'm going to have to cut and solder all these again. I'm not overly happy to do that, but sometimes it's what you gotta do. I'll update you guys whenever the post office or our delivery person decides to show up. Literally 5 seconds after I stopped filming, he showed up. I'll take it. Now I just gotta wait on FedEx. But the radio's here. I think this is the radio. If not, I'm gonna be very upset. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna open this up, and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm so excited for this. I've been wanting to do this for so long in this car. I am so excited. Alright, where's the radio? It's like I'm not so excited I accidentally cut my finger or something. That pissed me off. Just accidentally cut through the screen on the radio or something. That'd be wonderful. And if you're wondering, I picked this up through Walmart, of all places, because they have the best deal right now. Here it is. It's the Pioneer 14, was MVH 1400. You can read that yourself. That part's not important. Unless you want it, which if you do, and I like this, then I'll put the link down in the description below where you can pick it up. Same place I picked it up. Hopefully for the same price, if not better, because Black Friday is coming up, so. Actually, I'm gonna take back that last statement. I don't know when this video is actually gonna go up, so it could be Christmas by that time. My videos have been all over the place lately because there's just been a lot going on, as usual. And as most of my excuses are, is just, I'm a busy guy. I try to stay busy because I feel like I'm accomplishing stuff by staying busy. And I like to get myself as busy as I can and productive as I can, so that I don't feel like I'm lazy. But sometimes I wake up and have those days where I want to be really lazy, and it's the best. But I realize that I can't actually do that as much as I would probably want to. I've also found myself playing a lot of video games again. I picked up a new Call of Duty, and I'm enjoying it a lot lately. Because with how cold and miserable it is here in Ohio lately, it's just not as fun to do car stuff. Right now though, I have an excuse to do more car stuff, so. Let's make sure that these wires are the same real quick. I have a feeling we're gonna be wiring this up again. Wow, I'm blurry. Focus, come on, you can do it. Well, let's see. Curiosity's piqued. I'll update you guys in a minute of what I'm going to do. Alright, so the other radio connector I actually plugged into it perfectly because, well, I mean, it's also a Pioneer head unit. Now, hopefully this isn't a horrible idea, but I'm going to try and boot it up anyways. See what happens. Oh, it's working. Impressive. Ah. This is awesome. Oh, heck yeah, I can turn that off too. Alright, this just turned into the coolest thing ever. I'm gonna do some things and stuff, and I'll update you in a minute. Okay, so here is the new radio. It looks so much cleaner in here now because of that. And then, I've already shown you what it looks like. Anyways, I'm gonna cut this down really quickly for you. And I gotta go because I'm running really late now because FedEx took forever to finally deliver the package, but it took like 3 minutes to do all of the work. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode of Project Make Old Stang Great Again. I think we're doing pretty good at it right now. I'm excited to get this thing back together and nice again because it's been a long time coming, and I hope you guys are ready for more Old Stang videos in the future. I'm not promising that I'll be doing a lot of them lately, but I got a few coming. Hopefully you'll enjoy them. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video where we try and make Old Stang great again. Anyways, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below, drop a like, and comment what you think of the car. I'll put a link in the description for the radio. Anyways, I'll see you.
What the hell are you wearing? We should make it think we're filming this live. I just like talk the whole time to the camera.
Here it comes. Do you hear it? Wow.